Okay, our next worksheet from our sound theme unit is called Where Does Sound Come From? And it says, what have we been discovering so far? We know there's 3 ways to produce sound. We're going to draw a picture of each one. First one says, vibrations create sound. Well, that's kind of like our drum that we hit, or something like our tuning fork here, that if we hit it, the fork, the metal, vibrates. So I'm going to draw my tuning fork, or maybe you want to draw a drum. My tuning fork kind of looks like this. Here's my tuning fork, and when I strike it with something, the sound waves travel out in all directions. That sound being created by vibrations. The next one says, explosions produce sound, and they do. When dynamite goes off, it makes a huge booming sound. When a volcano blows, it makes a huge sound that can be heard from miles and miles away. Of course, an easy one to do would be to talk about a balloon. Got my pin, my balloon, here we go, listen to the explosion. So we can draw our balloon. And our pin. And when it hits, our balloon explodes into pieces. And we get this explosion sound that, of course, travels in all directions. And a third type of sound is produced by blowing air. Blowing air produces sound. That would be like our slide whistle that we had here, where we blow air through this end, right? And the air comes through and makes a sound. So I'm going to draw my whistle here. Pull that piece in and out, and it makes the different sound which comes through this hole here up at the top. And I blow my air in here, and the sound comes out and changes depending on whether I'm sliding this piece in or out. I could also use that whistle that they asked us to get at the beginning of the experiment. So it makes a sound because air goes in and it comes out this hole here where there's a little ball rattling around in there. Sound produced in 3 different ways: vibration, explosion, and air.